Why is DevSecOps important? DevSecOps is important in today's business environment to mitigate the rising frequency of cyber attacks. By implementing security initiatives early and often, applications in an array of industries achieve the following benefits. Government applications that manage highly sensitive government information are a constant target for malicious cyber attacks. By hardening these applications with a security-first development approach, the chance of malicious entities finding and exploiting vulnerabilities is greatly reduced. Healthcare DevSecOps is becoming the go-to standard for application design in the healthcare space. As organizations are required to abide by HIPAA, it's becoming increasingly clear that a security-first approach greatly reduces the likelihood of patient PII becoming exposed or exploited. Finance DevSecOps also helps development practices in the finance industry. Today, finance is a major target for cyber attacks, so development firms are leading with a DevSecOps model to limit the possibility of sensitive data becoming accessible to cyber criminals. How does DevSecOps work? VMware's approach to DevSecOps is designed to provide development teams with the full security stack. This is achieved by establishing ongoing collaboration between development, release management, also known as operations, and the organization's security team, and emphasizing this collaboration along each stage of the C/CD pipeline. The C/DI pipeline is broken into 6 stages known as code, build, store, prep, deploy, and run. Each stage of the workflow is explained here to illustrate the benefits of embedding security early in the process. The first step to a development approach that aligns with DevSecOps is to code in segments that are both secured and trusted. Here, VMware Tanzu provides tools that perform regular updates for these born secure building blocks to better protect your data and apps from day one. To take code and deliver comprehensive container images that contain a core OS, application dependencies and other runtime services, requires a secure process. VMware Tanzu Build Service manages this securely and provides runtime dependencies scans to enhance security, allowing DevSecOps teams to develop securely with agility. Any off-the-shelf technology stack needs to be considered a risk in today's ever-evolving cybersecurity landscape. To this point, each off-the-shelf app or backend service should be continually checked. Fortunately, with VMware, developers can pull opinionated dependencies securely with VMware Tanzu and scan for vulnerabilities in the container image with VMware Carbon Black Cloud Container. Before deployment, organizations need to ensure their application complies with security policies. To achieve this, VMware Tanzu and Carbon Black Cloud Container can validate configurations against the organization's security policies before entering subsequent stages of the development cycle. These configurations define how the workload should run, not only providing key insight into potential vulnerabilities but also setting subsequent stages of the C/CD pipeline up for a successful deployment. Scans delivered in previous steps give organizations a comprehensive understanding of the application's security strength. Here, vulnerabilities or misconfigurations in the development process that has been identified are clearly presented, allowing organizations to fix issues and define stronger security standards to promote a stronger security posture. As deployments run, SecOps teams can leverage active deployment analytics, monitoring and automation to ensure continuous compliance while also mitigating the risk of vulnerabilities that surface following deployment.